This is the Proper RC Burnout Truck. It has custom-made stainless steel centre diff and a custom steel front brake mount. The electronics are driven by a Spectrum 160 amp ESC, which delivers power to the huge 1100 kV electric motor. Two Gens Ace 3S batteries connected in series provide 6S power with sufficient torque to drive the 160mm Louise street wheels and added weight. The truck has custom designed super heavy coil springs made by spring specialists in Auckland. The rear diff is a GP4 out of a 1/8 scale Armour Creighton 6S BLX, links provided in the description. The wheels are 1/8 Louise Monster Truck Sports with removable 17mm hex inserts with Proline Racing 8x32 aluminium hex adapters from Horizon Hobby, links in the description. The front steering servo is a 65 kg OMG, which is needed for the extra weight added to the front of the vehicle. The front brakes are powered by an OMG 55 kg brushless servo, which is required to provide enough force to keep the truck stationary when the rear wheels are spinning. I'm using a piece of rubber in between the brake discs, which works well.